out with Edgar. This is actually a possum and raccoon trail. It goes all the way to my back porch alongside the house. That's where they get their marshmallows and peanuts. Because, you know, they're critters. Had a bit of a low-level ice storm last night. I don't know if you can see all the frozen drops on the... Sorry, it's out of focus. There's frozen drops on all these branches. I was hoping everything would be ice covered because it's really quite beautiful when that happens. But I'll take what I can get. These all covered with snow. There's that trail coming out of the woods. Up to my back driveway. And here it is coming off the driveway alongside the house. And up to the back porch where they like to eat. And have a nice day, everybody. God bless. Yeah, somebody wants in now.